Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloudbooks Academy. I am CA Nikita Joshi and today I am excited to show you how Zoho Books can help you to get paid faster without the manual follow-ups using its built-in feature of automatic payment reminders. Are you still struggling to chase clients for unpaid invoices? What if Zoho Books could send reminders automatically, even right on schedule? With this feature, you will reduce the late payments, stay ahead of cash flows, and maintain professional relationship effortlessly. Zoho Books lets you send automatic reminders based on the invoice due date or expected payment dates. So without much ado, let's just go to the setting parts and enable these beautiful features of Zoho Books.
So firstly, you have to go to settings. Under setting, there is an option called reminders. So you can set up reminders for invoices as well as for the purchase bill. Under invoices, there is an option that you can set up n number of reminders. So let's just go and set up one reminder that will be named as reminder 1 or any name that you want to give. Remind B, say after 1 day after the due date. That means if a customer was due to send the payment on 8th of June, then this reminder will be sent if the payment is not made till 8th of June. So the reminder will be sent on 9th of June directly to the mail ID of the customer. Or if you have integrated WhatsApp to Zoho Books, then the reminder can be sent to WhatsApp also. Here all the matter that is automatically included by Zoho Books. But if you want to edit some of the feature, you can edit up here. And here the customer name, invoice number, due date and overdue amount will get automatically populated from the invoices. So this way it becomes very much easier to enable this payment reminder feature under Zoho Books, which will help you to get the payment on time. Click on save. Once you click on save, your reminder 1 will be set up. Suppose that the customer doesn't pay even after getting the one reminder. Then you can enable reminder 2. That will be sent after 5 days of the due date for the payment. The similar invoice number and everything will get auto-populated and you can click on save. This way you can set up n number of reminders under Zoho Books to your particular customer. So reminders you have set up. Directly you have to go to the invoices part under the sales module. Select any of the overdue payments. Once you go there, there is an option called reminders. You have to just start reminders. So here, once you click on start reminder, the reminders that we have enabled under the setting parts will get enabled for this particular customer. So this way it becomes very much easier, and if the customer doesn't pay on time, then there is a feature which will help you to send automatic reminders to them and get you paid on time. That's how easy it is. Set once and Zoho Books handle the rest. So now you can focus on what matters. If this helped, hit on like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for more Zoho Books tips. Also, if you want a live walkthrough, comment below. See you next time. Bye bye.